How to delete search history on YouTube app. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can delete search history on YouTube app. So without any further ado, let's dive right into it. The first step is open up your YouTube and make sure that you're logged into your account. After you do that, you can head over to the bottom right corner and now you're on your profile. Tap on the gear icon on the top right to go to settings. After you're on your settings, there you will find your data in YouTube. So tap on your data in YouTube, and after you tap on it, you will find your different data such as your watch history and your search history. So head over to your search history. You will see manage your YouTube search history. Tap on it, and after you tap on that, you'll get your search history. Now you can delete everything from here. Tap on delete all time. Tap on delete again and you're good to go. And that is how you can delete search history on YouTube app. Thanks for watching. That is all for today's video. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye.